My name is Adrenna Anzaldua. I am the Somatic Spiritual Healer, and I'm also a spiritual teacher. Today, I have coming on here to talk to you about one of my favorite resources that I read and that I continue to refer to clients, which is a book by a spiritual teacher. She is also the author of several books. But this book in particular, what I really, really appreciate about this book is that it is all about spiritual awakenings. And in a world of, we are so inundated with information these days, and there are a lot of spiritual teachers, gurus, mentors out there, which means there's a lot of information out there. How can we discern through some of this information? Like, how can we kind of like work our way through some of the fluff, some of the esoteric, honestly, some of the BS that's out there? And there are a lot of great, great teachers out there, but the one teacher that I have found to be consistently pragmatic, consistently grounded in the work that she has put out there is Mary Schutan. And so today I want to talk to you about the book, The Spiritual Awakening Guide. And this book is going to be great for anybody who is going through a spiritual awakening, who has gone through a spiritual awakening, or especially if you have friends or family members that have gone through a spiritual awakening and you're curious about the experiences, about what it means, and how to navigate a spiritual awakening like in this modern world. Like, this is going to be a fantastic resource. So one of the reasons why I really, really appreciate this book is that spiritual awakening isn't just one path. Spiritual awakening isn't an end goal, isn't an end result. It literally is something that we do every day. It's a part of being a human in this world. And what Mary discusses is multiple different types of awakening, which I find to be very helpful for those of us who perhaps don't feel like we've had the same experiences as other people. And so the other thing that I really, really appreciate about this book is that it is very practical. So not only does it go over the different types of awakening, but it also has very great tools and tips and actual exercises that you can do to help the spiritual awakening process be a little bit easier, or something that can be a little bit calmer for your nervous system. What I also really appreciate about Mary's books is that there really is no fluff. And you'll know what I mean if you have actually looked into different spiritual books and authors and teachers. And so regardless of my recommendation here, regardless of the information that you find, what I think is really important, and this is what I talked about on previous videos before, is discernment. Is as you are reading through information, as you're listening to information, is really going in with that critical mind, with that critical thinking, and asking yourself, like, what is this information telling me? Do I actually believe this information? And also checking in with yourself, checking in with your body as well. I do think that's really important whenever we are, engaging in information, whenever we are, in a sense, we are in a relationship with information. And so understanding that we need to have a filter of critical thinking, going in with kind of like that neutral observer as well, so we can be able to learn. And yeah, so that's just one of the books that I really love to read, and as well as I refer a lot of my clients to that book to help them navigate the spiritual awakening world. Perhaps it's helpful for you. All right, guys, my name is Adrenna Anzaldua, spiritual teacher, somatic spiritual healer, and until next time.